Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Testing out the Pura 90 Pro Max from the 27th floor with a frame range filter. Wow, the distance is insane. I even tried ordering food from up there. Boss, 1 egg fried rice and a plate of fried noodles. He asks where I am, and I tell him I'm on the 27th floor right across from his stall. He's like, wait, are you serious? I can literally see his menu. Beef offal soup, beef and shrimp noodles, beef rice noodles, everything is crystal clear. He confirms he can see me too. What kind of setup is this? This is the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. That's right, this is next level. And honestly, believe it or not, the telephoto video on the Pura 90 Pro Max is even more impressive than what Ultra Image delivers. Sounds wild, right? But wait till you see this.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Tonight's live house, there's a singer on stage, the short-haired performer. Shooting at 20x zoom in 4K at 30 FPS, the Pura 90 Pro Max captures her hair, facial details, and even her necklace with incredible clarity. Among all the phones here, it delivers the highest resolution. Even under tricky lighting, it faithfully reproduces her hair texture, skin tone, and the warm yellow glow on her outfit. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max struggles with noticeable noise and faces start looking overly pink. As for the other two ultra-level flagships, they fall short. Soft details, blurry output, and inaccurate skin tones. Then another performer steps in, a young woman in a white mermaid-style dress. Using 20x zoom across 4 phones, she looks completely different on each screen. Honestly, it's hard to tell which one is right unless you're there in person. Thankfully, I was, and the Pura 90 Pro Max comes the closest to what you actually see with your eyes. It captures her skin tone accurately even under complex lighting, and you can still make out her hair, necklace, and even the shimmer of the sequins on her dress. The level of detail is just insane. The iPhone tends to push her skin tone towards yellow, though it still retains some detail. One flagship overexposes everything, while the other is too dim, making her look dull and lifeless. Even the dress details get lost. But when the lighting stage dims slightly, the Pura 90 Pro Max still holds on to facial details and fabric texture. And when the lights go almost full brightness, pause right there. Only the Pura 90 Pro Max still clearly shows her face, and you can even see her smiling. That's the advantage of its 1.128-inch telephoto sensor. That single smile says it all. Now, zooming further to 30x, the lighting shifts to an orange-red tone. Again, each phone shows different colors, but once more, the Pura 90 Pro Max stays closest to real life. Even at 30x, the details in her hair, facial features, and jewelry remain sharp. The iPhone, on the other hand, wow, it's back to those avatar-style colors again. Seriously, why does it keep doing that? The other two flagships do better than the iPhone in color, but they're still not accurate. So yeah, combining that telephoto lens with the second-gen Red Wind primary color lens really makes a difference. Even with frame range filters, nothing here matches the Pura 90 Pro Max. Speaking of filters, the Pura 90 Pro Max uses a 13.5x frame range filter, equivalent to a 324mm focal length, while the other two push up to 400mm. Ready? Watch this. The moment you zoom in, you can clearly see the pale blue tint in the short-haired singer's glasses, her facial details, hair strands, even the white patterns on her black outfit. They're all sharp and visible. The other phones can technically zoom in, but the image just isn't clear. There's blur and noise, especially in the hair. This really shows something important. A telephoto lens alone isn't enough. If the underlying capability isn't strong, all you get is a blurry image of something far away. Take it to the zoo, for example. At 20x zoom, the Pura 90 Pro Max captures wildlife beautifully. Look at this white parrot. The texture of its beak and the fine detail in its feathers are super clear, and this is under warm afternoon sunlight. The other phones, they lack detail, look softer, and their colors lean towards a bluish tint, making it look washed out. Then there's a red panda lying on the ground, just chilling with its tongue slightly out. The Pura 90 Pro Max captures everything: its head, body, fluffy paws, even the texture of its fur, you can clearly see that rich reddish-brown color. The iPhone does slightly better than the other two flagships in clarity, which is kind of surprising. But overall, the others feel underwhelming for something labeled Ultra. Their colors also drift towards a bluish tint, making the Panda look washed out. Even when shooting a 20x zoom photo of the Pura 90 Pro Max delivers insane detail. You can clearly see her hair, clothing texture, the vase on the table, the book, even the small apple beside it. Compared to the other three phones, it's just sharper across the board. And when pushing towards 30x zoom, well, the iPhone caps out at 24x. The difference becomes even more obvious. The Pura 90 Pro Max keeps everything crisp. Facial features are defined, individual hair strands are visible, and the resolution is just on another level. So, at this point, it's pretty clear. While many so-called ultra camera flagships excel in photography, their video performance still feels average.
Even though it's called the Pura 90 Pro Max, its camera performance honestly feels ultra-level. That massive sensor paired with the 200-megapixel telephoto is seriously impressive. When it comes to super telephoto video, both the resolution and color reproduction actually outperform some current ultra flagship phones, and not by a small margin either. It's safe to say this thing still holds the crown for camera performance. But what about photos? Is that 200-megapixel large sensor combined with a telephoto lens really that good? On the Pura 90 Pro Max, the 200-megapixel setup works at 4x zoom. Here's the first set of comparison shots, then the second, and now the third. Take a closer look at the details. Can you spot the difference? What's surprising is that, so now we open the camera, switch to XMAGE Selfie, and align this little dot right in the center of the circle. Wait, let me get into the mood. What kind of style do you like? Something more atmospheric and vibrant. All right, let's check the AI pose recommendations and see what it suggests. This one looks good. Turn slightly, keep your legs together, sit on the grass, rest your elbows on your knees. Perfect. Ready? Big smile. Let's take a test shot. How does it look? The AI pose recommendation feature automatically recognizes your environment. For example, if you're sitting in front of an easel, it suggests poses that match that scene. If you're standing on grass by the sea, it adjusts with relevant pose ideas. You can even upload your favorite pose references and it'll analyze them and turn them into suggestions. The front camera also includes AI pose recommendations. It takes a simple selfie without holding anything, it suggests natural poses. If she's holding a drink, it adapts and recommends poses that match that situation too. Most mobile phones today rely heavily on computational photography, basically using AI to enhance images after they're taken. But Huawei is pushing AI to the front of the process. It makes photography easier, more intuitive, and almost effortless. And that popular bullet time effect you see everywhere online, the Pura 90 Pro Max can do it in just 3 steps. Open the GIF mode in the camera, choose your angle, and hit the shutter. After that, tap the 3D animation option. It takes a moment to process, and then boom, you've got a really cool result. This effect used to require professional gear and complicated setups, but now it's accessible to anyone. One tip though, press the shutter multiple times so you can pick the best moment for a smoother bullet time effect. So why is the camera so powerful? A big part comes down to its processor, the 9030S, which delivers about a 25% performance boost over the previous generation. That translates into stronger imaging, especially in color accuracy, telephoto sharpness, and stabilization. It's essentially a chip designed with camera performance in mind. On top of that, you get features like satellite communication support, improved app integration, and Harmony OS 6.1. This version of Harmony OS focuses more on security, and the Star Center anti-fraud system adds an extra layer of protection. So yes, even though it carries the Pro Max name, the Pura 90 Pro Max truly performs at an ultra level. It continues Huawei's tradition of delivering stunning photos and videos, and once again proves why it's still considered a king in mobile photography. This generation arrived earlier than expected, following the Mate 80 Pro Max, making it Huawei's flagship imaging phone for the first half of the year. In terms of design, gradient finishes are back, from Sky Mirror to Orange Sea. That Orange Sea variant especially stands out, blending warm sunset tones with soft blue light hues, giving the phone a calming, almost emotional aesthetic.
It's not just a color, it's a vibe, like capturing a beach sunset in your hand. As for pricing, the base model of the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max starts at 6,499 yuan in China, which is roughly £705 in the UK and about $953 in the US. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!